KATC Weather Lab. Here's Eric's forecast.
Hope you've had a wonderful and safe Memorial Day weekend across the area, and we're able to find some relief from the heat as once again today we topped out at 91 degrees here in Lafayette, making our 5th straight day of 90-degree weather, and I expect that to continue as we move through our new work week. But it does look like we might get a few showers over the coming days, which could briefly cool off temperatures for maybe an hour or two before they quickly heat back up with feel-like temperatures approaching the triple digits by next weekend. The reason for the heat and humidity continues to be this big area of high pressure centered in the eastern Gulf of Mexico, just baking a large portion of Georgia and the Carolinas, where they're seeing actual temperatures in the triple digits, some as high as 103 degrees towards the Augusta, Georgia area. So just some extreme heat for them, and that is leading to maybe 1 or 2 showers now beginning to develop back towards Georgia. But we're on this flank continuing to see the summertime heat as well. Good news is we're finally getting a break from the showers and storms across the mid portion, allowing them to dry out if they've seen close to a foot of rain over the last week or so and been dealing with those widespread tornadoes. But you do see another storm system back over the Rocky Mountains. That'll be diving down into the Great Plains, bringing more rain to those areas that they do not want to see it, and that eventually will make its way into the Mississippi. Another reason why the Morganza will be opened coming this Sunday. But closer to the home, we had another sun-filled afternoon, but we did have our fair share of cumulus clouds working across the area, and that did keep temperatures maybe 1 or 2 degrees cooler than what they had been the couple days, and provided a little bit more shade for some of those barbecues or if you're out at the pool earlier this afternoon. And I do expect the clouds to maybe stick with us through the evening before eventually beginning to clear out later on tonight. You did see we had a few isolated showers out over the Gulf of Mexico, but as they tried to work onshore, they kind of fizzled out. But I do expect that sea breeze to maybe pick up, and we could see 1 or 2 isolated showers tomorrow. Feel like temperatures for our Monday got into those low to mid 90s, still hanging on to a feel like temperature of 95 degrees here in Lafayette. So summertime heat is here, and it is not going away anytime soon. Still hanging on to lower 90s for feel like temperatures all across Acadiana, and these are not going to really cool off much even as we move into the overnight hours in the coming days. Now, we did have a little bit of a breeze today that made a little bit more comfortable to be outside, but those winds are backing off now down to around just 5 to 10 miles coming straight out of the south. But tomorrow afternoon, we should see those winds pick up again, especially as we head towards the late morning and throughout much of the afternoon. And with those winds up around 10 to 15 miles per hour, I do think that gets enough little mixing in the atmosphere that we could see 1 or 2 isolated showers developing. Now, it does look like a dry start for our Tuesday, maybe just a stray shower out to the west towards Lake Charles first thing tomorrow morning. So your morning commute doesn't look too bad as we head back to work after the holiday weekend. But later on in the morning and by lunchtime, we could have a few stray showers developing mainly to the west of Lafayette. I would say Acadia Parish up into Evangeline over towards Allen and down towards Calcasieu. You have a little better chance to see those isolated showers tomorrow. We'll go 20-30% chance for the rain through the first half of the day. By the afternoon, most of it's out of here up to our north. We're just then baking in the heat with temperatures in the lower 90s again tomorrow afternoon, feeling like the mid to upper 90s. Wednesday looks to be a dry day as that high pressure moves a little bit closer to us, provides that sinking. So I think a little bit more sunshine and warmer temperatures on Wednesday. But there you see those showers and storms firing up back across the Great Plains, producing more rain where they do not need it, back through Oklahoma and into northern portions of Arkansas. More storms as we head later on into Wednesday. But as that front gets closer to us, we could see 1 or 2 stray showers try to work into Acadiana. But with the latest model, it's kind of backed off on the rain. So rain chances could actually be going down due to the dry weather. That is just kind of limiting how much moisture we have for these showers to get going as the front gets closer to us. And you can see by even Thursday night, all that activity is pretty much gone. Eventually, though, that front works a little bit closer to us. So I think Friday is the best chance that we see at least maybe a 40% chance for some scattered showers during the afternoon and evening. But again, those clear out later on into the night. And by Saturday, we have a stationary front that could be the focal point for a few more showers, but overall, not looking too bad as far as the rain chances towards the end of the week. So warm and muggy tonight, feeling more like July with 76 for that overnight low. After some clouds, lots of sunshine tomorrow, 90 degrees again with a 20% chance for maybe a stray shower on our Tuesday, but better rain chances Thursday, Friday, and into Saturday. But those could even be on the little bit of the higher side of temperatures. Still hanging on to those 90s and could even push the mid 90s heading into into next week as another upper level high pressure begins to build over top much of Acadiana, continuing to bake us in these summertime temperatures. So just get used to it because they're not going away.
They are not. Thanks, Eric.